So, like I said in my last PSA video, I had another economy order that was finished up. They were submitted a little over a month apart. Let's see. Looks like this side. So this order is 18 cards, 1 American football card, 12 global football or soccer cards, and then 5 basketball cards. So I have not looked at the grades yet, but my expectations for this order are fairly low. I don't expect to get nearly the same gem rate that I had on the previous order. So we'll see how these are ordered. Okay, and just like the last order, it looks like these are in reverse order that I submitted them in. So I'll just pull the cards off the back. We're going to get started with a 2019 Panini Select Kyler Murray. This is the Rookie Selections insert. This is a silver prism, and it got a mint 9. So, starting off with a mint 9. So, we're going to have a lot of the 2018 Panini World Cup Prism Mohamed Salah cards. So, this one is the red blue wave, and I got a gem mint 10. Very nice there. So, another Salah. This one's the laser prism, and that got a mint 9. Another one, this is the Mojo prism, and this got a near mint to mint 8. Looks to be due to that print line right there. So another Mojo prism. This one got a gem mint 10. Very nice. So we got another one. This is another Mojo prism. And that looks like it's mislabeled. It's not the Mojo prism, it's a silver prism. But they labeled it as a Mojo prism. So that's a mint 9. Also looks like there's something inside the case here as well. So I think the rest of these might be the silver prisms. Oh, no, I misspoke. So it looks like they misordered these here. So this is a Mojo prism, but it has the silver prism label. Gem mint 10 grade. Then it looks like there's something here as well. So 2 cards in a row there, mislabeled, and they also appear to have something inside the slab. So I'll have to get in touch with PSA about that. Another silver prism. Got a mint 9. Another silver prism. Gem mint 10. And another silver prism in a 9. So I'm pretty sure the rest of the Mohamed Salah prism cards in this order were silver prism. There is a Topps Chrome in this order as well. So another silver prism that also got a 9. And then this is the last card from 2018 Panini Prism World Cup. Another silver prism, and that one got a 9 as well. Alright, so moving on to 2017 Topps Chrome UEFA Champions League. Mohamed Salah. This is the purple refractor, numbered 199 out of 250. And this one got a mint 9. Alright, so that will do it for soccer. Moving on to basketball. 1980 Topps. So this is going to have Larry Bird on the card. And we got a near mint 7. So I'm very happy with that. Whenever I submitted these, I didn't include that I wanted no qualifier grades. So I'm pretty happy that didn't get an OC or stain or miscut or anything like that. So very nice to get the 7. Now this is the same panel that has that's used on the Larry Bird, Julius Erving, and Magic Johnson card. That's the main rookie that everyone tends to go after, but the Larry Bird panel is the same one on this card as well. So I'm happy with the near mint 7 there. Then we got a second one of those. Same card. Very nice. Near mint to mint 8. Yeah, really happy. Get a 7 and an 8 on these. Probably not the best idea to be buying a 40-year-old raw card off of eBay. You never know if it could be trimmed or altered in any way. But I managed to do pretty well with these two cards here. So definitely happy with that. Sticking with basketball, we have a 2018 Panini Select Silver Prism of Michael Porter Jr. This is the Premier level. So there's the concourse, the Premier level, and then the courtside. So Premier level is the middle tier, and this got a near mint to mint 8. And I believe there was something with the surface on this. I was sending in hoping that maybe it could get a 9, but it did indeed get an 8. So not too surprised on this one here. Then we have another Michael Porter Jr. rookie card. This one from 2018 Panini Chronicles Basketball. This is the Phoenix rookie card, and I believe it's a blue prism because it is numbered 99 out of 99. and that got the Mint 9 grade. Very nice looking rookie card. I like the Phoenix cards out of Chronicles. Again, the blue prism looks really nice with that Denver Nuggets uniform. And then this is the final card in the order. So this is a 2015 Panini Luxe. This is a rookie autograph of Karl-Anthony Towns. This has the metal frame. So we'll go ahead and flip that over. And that got a near mint 7. So not exactly the grade we were looking for here. Definitely a different type of card, having the metal frame border. Thought the surface on this looked pretty good, so I'm guessing probably this shoe would have been something with the metal frame itself. So near mint 7 on that one. Karl-Anthony Towns rookie autograph. That's numbered 51 out of 75. So that will do it for this economy order. And like I had said at the beginning, was not expecting the grades to turn out as well as my previous PSA submission. Was definitely expecting some lower grades. I knew about the surface issue with the Michael Porter Jr. Select Prism. Obviously, I wasn't expecting very high grades on the 1980 Topps cards. So that will conclude this order. I will reach out to PSA about the mix-up between the Silver Prism and the Mojo Prism having been mislabeled. So again, Mojo Prism with the silver label, and then the Silver Prism with the Mojo label. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you for watching.